Hello, this is Tushinzaya Amarzaya, a fellow learning how to learn moose mate and a budding gardener. So I thought I would put my learning by teaching project on how procrastination, plants, and perfectionism come together. So we're all here to learn something, right? From the beginning, be it statistics, astrophysics, or material science, or anything like that. And we want to build a strong foundation of knowledge and skills in it. So how do we do that? In terms of growing a plant, I'm discovering that it's pretty simple. Water the plant every so often and place it in a spot that gives a proper dose of sun each day, right? Like spaced repetition in studying, little by little and over long periods of time. But when it comes to studying, sometimes it's not as easy. We often kill our progress early on by procrastinating and cramming, and which in my case is often triggered by the cue of feeling, usually the fear of perfection to that get into the routine of cramming the night before the test or writing the paper a day before the deadline, which is, I just realized, is the equivalent of not watering the plant for a month and then just dumping a gallon of water into it and then drowning your plant. Or similarly, neglecting your plant in a dark corner for a month and then just blasting it with stadium strength light for 24 hours straight to make up for it. And it's obviously not going to result in a healthy and strong plant or a strong essay or a great project for that matter. But the good thing is, in this moose, we actually learn how to fight against this, right? Learn how to leverage against the weak spots in overcoming bad habits like procrastination. And the weak spot between cue and routine in this case is between fear of perfectionism and procrastination and cramming. And we know it because it happens because we're focusing on the product of perfection rather than the process of just watering and working on your project over time. And the Pomodoro really helps with this because it shifts the focus away from the product to process by penciling in reasonable amounts of to take care for your project or plant. And so I'm hoping this visualization helps to make the abstract terms of procrastination and perfectionism into concrete terms and images that you can call to mind, and then avoid and defeat those monsters on your journey to learn and grow. I think that's all the time I have. So thank you.